Hi, I'm Matt Sosman, a Senior Security Architect at Microsoft, and I want to show you Block at First Sight. This is a pretty amazing capability built right into Windows Defender Antivirus. I think you're going to love it, so let's check it out. In my opinion, there's really no excuse to not enable this. It's built into Windows 10. It's a fundamental thing. If you don't have it enabled, obviously proceed at your own risk. All right, well, starting in Windows 10 version 1803, Block at First Sight can block both non-portable executable files like a JavaScript or Visual Basic script or a macro, as well as just a regular .exe. And the way this works is that when you download a non-portable executable file or a .exe from the internet, a hash of that executable is checked via the Intelligent Security Graph or our cloud backend. And it's checking to see if it can determine if this is a previously undetected file. Now, if the cloud backend, the ISG, is unable to make a determination, Windows Defender Antivirus will actually lock that file, and then it uploads a copy to the cloud. And the ISG from there then performs additional analysis, such as some of our machine learning, heuristics, even detonation and sandboxing it to try to reach a determination before it allows you to either run the file or it blocks it for future encounters. And so if it determines that that file is indeed malicious from its additional analysis, then it's going to block that file from running on your machine and in all future encounters of that file. Or if it deems it that it's safe and legit, then it'll let you go ahead and open it. And what's really cool about this is this can actually reduce a response time from hours down to seconds because it's utilizing the Intelligent Security Graph and really the cloud at scale to make this work. All right, one of the requirements here is you have to have your network opened up in a certain way to allow it to contact the Intelligent Security Graph and our Active Protection Service in the cloud backend. So take a moment, pause the video, review these requirements. There's a link down there at the bottom if you want to learn more. Enabling Block at First Sight is probably one of the easiest things you will ever do. If it's a local Windows 10 client that's not managed, over on the left side inside the Windows Security Center under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, enable these three items, boom, I'm done. In the enterprise environment, whether it's SCCM, Endpoint Manager, Intune, even GPO, it's basically enabling those exact three settings in those policies. And you can see that here on the right side. All right, let's jump into a demo and let's see what this looks like in real life in action. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is test network connectivity to make sure we can contact the Microsoft Active Protection Service or the Intelligent Security Graph or just the cloud. So we're going to run a quick command. We can indeed establish network connectivity, so that's good to go. Now we're going to look at my virus and threat protection settings inside Windows Defender. We got our three options enabled. Now I'm also enabling this via Intune, so we're covered there. And then I'm going to open up a special website, demo.wd.microsoft.com. You could use this as well to test it. I'm going to click on Block at First Sight, and this is going to allow me to download a file. Don't worry, it's not malicious. It's just a way to trick the operating system so you could test Block at First Sight. So I'm going to click on Create and Download New File. Watch the lower left-hand corner. It's downloading. Boom, there it is. And it's blocked. That is Block at First Sight. Pretty easy. It happened immediately. So if we go into the Windows Security Center now, and I click on Virus and Threat Protection, here you can see the current threats. You can see I've done this a few times before, and this is Block at First Sight in action, and these were those test files that I've been downloading. Really cool stuff. All right, let's wrap this up. Here's the links on how you can go out and test this. It's all documented in our documentation as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, this is a fundamental feature. There's really no reason why you should not enable this. If you have any comments, questions, hit me up on Twitter @SosmanMatt. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody, and please keep the feedback coming.